we're here to talk about the future of retail. So much is changing right now. The business of online, offline meeting online, all of the change that's happening overseas, it's hitting us here in Australia as well. So we wanted to have a conversation with some panellists, to meet with the brains trust in IKEA as well, and to really workshop it and swap some ideas.
Bricks and mortar and retail is changing, and changing dramatically very quickly. And the thing is, there's been a lot of outcry from bricks and mortar stores saying, that online shopping is a problem. It's not. Bricks and mortar are still doing innovative things, but it's about getting the heart share of the customer. There are some great initiatives where customers are lining up at stores to get in. They're being driven by what's happening in digital, but in store. So it's not that bricks and mortar, the old-fashioned way, is dying. It just has to be reinvented.
We're seeing population change. We're seeing e-commerce rise. Even marketers and retailers may want to think about the role of digital assistants. So it's not just that they're shopping on their phone, it's the phone is becoming the virtual me. So something really to consider about as marketers go to market. Oftentimes we'll ask them, who are you marketing towards? And they say, well, of course, my customer. I would say, well, actually, you're going to be marketing towards your virtual customer or the digital assistant very soon, if not today.
So we work with lots of different people today, whether it was people walking in on the street, different industries or IKEA people, and looked at design thinking. It's a way to create different ideas from different methodologies and ideate really quickly to create a new way of working.
I was quite interested by one of the statistics that 93% of people still shop in store. My best shopping experience has probably been Dan Murphy's. I love going into the store and trying the wines, having a proper sommelier explain what you're looking for. I think it's a fantastic experience, which is encouraging, right? And it just shows that there is a real future for bricks and mortar. You've just got to adapt and keep pace with the disruption.